Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Jomise 814 version 2.0 based off the color of this box. If you look at my previous video, it was actually a gray one. This is actually for my other car. Let's go ahead and dive into it. I bought this over the Jomise 850 as that was the best seller. Alright, so it looks like basically the same thing. Nothing really changed. Same swivel on the camera mount. Same placement. Yep, everything looks about the same, which is good. Let's see. Same GPS unit looks to be. Got the same rear camera, which I actually like. Good quality, which is why one of the main reasons I'm returning the wolf box for this one. And the okay. The rear camera connects with the micro USB. And this one also offers, does it offer? Nope, not this one. Got same straps, mounting brackets. Alright, looks good. Let's go ahead and get this installed. As you'll see in these clips here, the quality of the video seems a lot more clear compared to the previous version of the Jomise 814. The colors seem to be a little bit more lifelike. It's not oversaturated. Things are a little bit more clear, such as the plates, the signs. And later on in the video, you'll see some of the nighttime shots. The quality, I think, at least in the front, got improved, nighttime mode. But the rear seems to be the same because it was the same unit as the previous version. It was still 1080p, but at least license plates were legible. You are going to see a little bit of glare on the license plates because of the headlights blasting to the rear camera. Overall, I think this is still the best combo front and rear mirror dash cam on the market today. Nothing else I really tried has offered any better quality than this. Yeah, 1080p seems to be maxed out in the rear on this specific image sensor and processor. If you guys are interested in this dash cam, I have links down below if you're interested in this. If you got any questions or any suggestions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.